Welcome to Cars You Can Fix. Today we're going to be working on a 2018 Lexus IS300. We're going to be replacing the rear brake pads. I'm going to get a screwdriver, try to fit it in here, to compress that piston back a little bit. There. Piston's all the way compressed back now. And then you're going to use a 14 millimeter. You're going to use a 14 millimeter wrench too on the bottom here. And then break it loose. Okay, remove the pads. And remove these clips. You're going to put in new ones. I get a steel brush. Just brush up in there a little bit. If your brakes came with new clips, go ahead and install those. And if you can take a chance to please like the video and subscribe, it would really help the channel out. And yeah, these clips, they're going to go towards the top. So this would be the inside pad. And since this one's out, this put one right here too. Put some anti-seize on the little ears here. And make sure you clean up this caliper a little bit. Brush up the slide pen. Clean those little tabs. Little anti-seize on the tabs, and a little bit on the face of the piston. And if that rubber's sticking out, not flush with the piston, get a little screwdriver like this and then start going around pushing it down. It'll get the air out and it'll sink in like that. I'm going to clean and grease these slide pins. And then use your 14 and tighten it up. With the Toyota Lexus, I always drive them in by hand because they got this shoulder here. You want to make sure it fits right in. If you drive it in, if it gets hung up on the side, you can really ruin the hub. And actually the lugs, you might have to replace the lug. These torque to 76 foot-pounds. After you get the wheel back on, come inside here, push the brake pedal all the way down. It's going to go to the floor. Pump it again, right until it gets solid. And we're all done. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching.